repairs, Sheldon and I had to take a 2-month course in Southern California at a great expense. But it's worth the effort.
This is the poor man's muffler. When you got no dough, you do what you have to.
So plumbing and car parts go together.
Right.
A little give and a little take.
Okay, now we just need a bit of sound to see if it's gonna work.
Of course it's gonna work.
Hey, it worked! Who said we... Well, don't go shaking it, you'll break it. Air coming out. Okay, I'll put some of that tape around it and that'll probably get that bit.